twin flame magic. This is really the invitation for this last dark time of the year, going into the light of the new year, to invite yourself to have some twin flame magic, because that's what you deserve, and because it means that in this 3-part workshop, you will be able to discover what it means to do twin flame inner work, how it works to be a little bit more meditative and start healing and start to feel the core that your twin flame union points to inside of yourself. It means that you're going to experience what it is to invent your own magic, rituals or tools that can help you specifically to go deeper, because a little bit of magic, even when you invent it yourself as tools or cards or what have you, drawings or rituals, they are here to invite the miracle. And union is the miracle that you want in your twin flame journey, and that is completely possible. And experimenting with your own magic, so that the miracle of union can come in, is what we're going to do in this 3-part workshop as well. And then, going into the light of the new year with the inner light inside of yourself turned on, in your heart turned on. What would be a better topic to discuss as the last part than how to move forward on your own, how to keep on going deeper on your journey so that you make come true your twin flame union, the harmonious one, harmonious twin flame union that you deserve, that your union deserves. How to move forward with keep on doing your inner work in 2024 so that your union will come in that year. And these are the topics of this 3-part workshop. We'll be working together with a small group of people online, live in a Zoom room, on 3 Fridays consecutively, and the first is already Friday upcoming. It will be Friday, December 22, from 4 to 6 p.m. in my time zone, Amsterdam time zone. So that might mean that you need to figure out what time that is for your time zone. And then we'll just continue with a 2-hour workshop on December 29, and the last part will be on January 5, 2024. You can opt in for all 3, the entire series. That would be top twin flame magic, and you would be very welcome. But you can also go for 1 per episode. That's possible too. When you would opt for all 3, yes, then you get the complete twin flame magic that I want to bring across to you personally. And you also get it for a good discount. Now, how does it work? If you want to take part in this twin flame magic opportunity for the last dark days and the beginning, shooting you into 2024, with a light inside of yourself, then you need to deposit your investment. And you do that by going in the description of this video, and you see how you can do that by using PayPal. And when you have done that, you will get an acknowledgement that you're in from me in your email that is connected to your PayPal. And I will also send you the Zoom link so that you can actually attend. I'm looking very much forward to a couple of people that want to come closer around these holiday times, these festive times right now. And let's just, have a small club of people that really comes close in the heart and it just goes deeper and that gets personal attention about how to let this magic happen. I'm looking forward to meet you and get to see more of you. Hope to see you real soon. Love from Petra.